The exact origins of this market town of ancient walkways, cobbled alleys and secret passageways are shrouded in mystery. But one thing's for sure, Knaresborough has carved out a real character for itself with the Tudor prophetess, once royal castle, magnificent viaduct and breathtaking countryside views. This lovely small town, which stands proudly above the River Nidd, has a lot to offer tourists from near and far. The town is a delightful spot to spend some time, and it also serves as a good base for day trips to nearby Ripon and Harrogate. Knaresborough is full of surprises, a warren of medieval streets and stone staircases that weave their way up and down the hill. The town centre is set on the cliffs above the River Nidd, and tourists arriving by train are treated to a spectacular view of the magnificent railway viaduct that spans the Nidd Gorge. Knaresborough is certainly one of the most gorgeous locations in Yorkshire, if not in England, with its winding streets, stunning stone bridge over the River Nidd, and inner town greenery.
While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it.
The tower is divided in two by the river. Beautiful residences and cafes grow up the hill on one side of the valley, while a thick wood on the other is home to a wealth of species. Mother Shipton's cave is tucked away in the woods. This fascinating location, which claims to be England's oldest tourist destination, has been available to the public since 1630. The market square in the heart of town is a nice location to stop for a cup of tea or something deliciously home-cooked. The ever-popular Knaresborough market is crowded on Wednesdays with shops selling delicious produce, whole foods, plants and flowers, as well as pretty much everything else you can think of. At the base of the cliffs on which the town sits, you'll find the delightful promenade that traps the sun in summer, with a coastal feel despite being more than 60 miles from the sea, making it a fantastic sight to enjoy an ice cream or just simply bird watching. Knaresborough's main attraction is without a doubt its 12th century castle. The fortress, which is now in ruins, has a long history and has sheltered a number of notable historical personalities. There are underground tunnels and a dungeon to explore in the castle, both of which are likely to have a dark past. Every June, the castle grounds host a medieval day with sword fights and horse exhibitions.